Good morning. I promised a video, little simple art lesson that you guys could follow along with at home, but you do have to learn something out of this. So we're going to learn about shapes, which you guys probably already know, and some of you may need a refresher. So we're going to talk about shapes. They're either geometric, there it is right there, right? Circles, squares. Can you think of some fancy words for other shapes that are like this, geometric? Did you think of any? Like hexagon, octagon. So these are just some, okay, geometric shapes. And then we have organic shapes, which I should not have drawn that leaf like that. I probably should have just drawn the shape of the leaf, but oh well. I mean, I got carried away. So I don't know what to say. Then I have a flower shape. Pretty crazy. Nothing special. To me, this looks like a paint spot, but it's a free-form spot because these can either be organic or freeform as they called, and these are geometric or non-organic. Okay, so for my little shape lesson, this is like amazing artwork. On your paper, in pencil first, because we always draw in pencil first in case we make a mistake, you are going to use up most of your paper. So let's say you have a paper about the size of a computer paper. You are going to sketch with your pencil a sad face. Do you see how I made a big sad face? That's all you're doing first. A sad face. Okay. So all I did, don't skip ahead and look at my other stuff. Do this big sad face in pencil. Leave an opening right here because we're going to add this mouth. And then you're going to leave a little space in between and you're going to do the happy face. Okay. Look, to me, this looks like a happy face. I left a little opening here and here at the end. So basically, I used my whole paper, but I did this. See, and it's really hard when you're looking at the screen. That's why it looks all crazy. I'm drawing as I go, and this is just a little difficult. I should just look at my paper. That might be better. I'm kind of looking at the screen while I'm doing this. So I left the two openings. It kind of looks like a lemon right now because I'm going to do just a simple little U for a mouth. Okay, it's kind of sideways. And then for the tail, you could just go straight down. So go up and down, almost like a triangle. Or you could do a little fancy tail like I did. So if you wanted to do a simple tail, you would start right here. Can y'all see that? And you go like this, and then you would go like this. Okay. And then that's basically what I've got. I added an eye. I'm doing a little one to the side so you can see me drawing it. So there is the eye. I have a million messages coming up. And inside today, we're just going to experiment with geometric shapes. So you're going to fill this fish, this beautiful fish. This is like not even that good, but it's okay. So you're going to fill the fish with just simple shapes. So I did it in pencil first. I did a triangle, a square, a circle. What other geometric shapes can you think of? What did I miss? Oh, I heard somebody say rectangle. So I did a rectangle. And there it is. Okay. And I'm just going to keep adding. I can repeat some if I want to. Like I'll probably do a circle here. Use some good spatial reasoning. Don't put them close together or squish them up. Okay. And so this fish is just going to have some designs. I'm going to put a square. I could have done some really tricky little stuff. You know, like hexagons, octagons, because remember we're just using geometric shapes, which are these. What if I gave him some little lines for his tail, make him look like a real fish? Oh, he's cuter than I thought. And that actually looks like his little cousin or something, right? So anyway, when you're done, you can color these any color you want. If you have crayons, if not, leave it alone. You can do this color around it, which is this negative space, but it's not really negative space because it's a fish. So color them in however you want to. And then what could you do with this space outside of the fish? I mean, I think you could add some little waves like this, just random. Okay. I think you could do things like that. And then color all around in blue and maybe outline these in a darker blue. And it doesn't matter what medium you use. You can use crayon, you can use colored pencil. And this is my simple lesson for today on shapes. Remember that these are part of the elements of art, which are very important to art. They are the building blocks. We did shapes today, geometric, and we talked a little bit about organic, but we used geometrics. And that concludes my short little mini lesson for today. I will add some more as we go, so you guys can follow along if you want to, or you can rewind if I went too fast. This is the first one, so this one's probably really rough. Just like my introduction a minute ago. That was terrible, but I put it on there anyway. Anyway, so for the next lesson, we'll probably do another building block, which will be an element of art. I'm not sure which one, but tune in because there are more lessons to come. Happy Friday.